Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making sorrel cupcakes. For this recipe I'm using cake flour, hot water, white sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, unsalted butter, ginger extract, sorrel powder and eggs. First I'll prepare the sorrel mixture. Place the sorrel powder into the hot water. Use a whisk to combine those and then set to the side. Now I'll cream the butter. Place the butter in a bowl and I'm going to use a hand mixer to cream the butter. Now I'll add the sugar and I'll cream the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. Do not forget to scrape the sides of the bowl as you go along. Once that's creamed, then add the ginger extract, then add the eggs one at a time, making sure that the eggs are beaten in extremely well. Now it's time to add the flour. I'm adding the flour in 3 parts. First add the flour and then cut and fold that into the creamed mixture. Then add the first portion of the sorrel mixture. Combine those using a wooden spoon and then add the second portion of flour. Cut and fold that in and add the second portion of the sorrel mixture. Make sure that all of the sorrel powder gets into the batter. Now add the last portion of flour and use a wooden spoon to cut and fold that in until it's done. I didn't have enough ginger, so here I'm adding half teaspoon more of ginger extract. I'm using a very strong ginger extract here. Once that's done, use an ice cream scoop to pour the batter into the cupcake cups. Then knock the pan a few times on the counter and flatten them, and then bake that in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 80 to 20 minutes. The cupcakes are done. Use a toothpick. The toothpick comes out clean and remove them and place them on a wire rack. Now let's check it. It's spongy, it's moist, and let's have a closer look at it. There you go. It's very moist and above all it's very tasty. Now this is an alternative at this time to Christmas fruit cake, and you can serve that to your visitors and to the children who are currently at home for the holidays. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Bailey. It was created by her daughter, Audette Bailey. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.